Hello! Welcome to this week's vlog. I'm about to make myself some tuna. Yeah, I'm starving. So, what do you guys think of the fit though? When she's been going to the gym and she feels confident in her body. No, honestly though, I feel really uncomfortable even though I'm in my own house. But I'm trying to break out of that little shyness. But I'm about to cut up some celery and put in some mustard, some mayo, and if I find any other veggies, I'm probably gonna dump it in there too, but I don't know where they are, so I'm just gonna cut this up real quick. Shit. I just broke that one. You forced it, right? Gonna use more mayo. All right, let's do a little taste test. This just slaps. I thought I was gonna use more celery, but I'm just gonna put it in the fridge like this. I'm also gonna have some sandías. Good job. Good.
Okay, wait, salud. Wait, you need. Let's see.
Vamos.
Okay, two.
Sí.
What are they called? Kentucky lemonade. Oh, Kentucky
Kentucky lemonade! Woo! Oh shoot! My.
Want to chips? Chips?
Okay, hold on.
Boomerang.
No, go back.
Oh, you're doing this
3,
or something.
2. Thank you.
The realities behind.
Little shirt, Hawaiian shirt guy. Training.
Oh, no, mango, margarita. And I
She said I'm the problem, but at least I'm consistent.
Like that?
And then
So you didn't even go to the hospital?
Why do you think I'm not making quesadillas though?
Because Katie.
They're all mine now.
Oh my god. It is Saturday and I am hungover as fuck. Oh god. I'm also gonna add some turkey bacon.
Well, anyways.
Actually, I'll just put 3. Let's put 4. Literally the easiest thing ever. Watch. You put it on bacon. It's at 360. It's for 8 minutes. And you just start, and literally just goes, and it comes out perfect every single time. Are you playing Mario Party?
Yeah, Mario Party.
I think we have to get the hang of the game first. Hello! Currently eating leftovers because I haven't had breakfast and we're about to head out to the fair. The Jersey Mike's from yesterday. But we're just waiting on my friend to get here so we can carpool and go pick up my other friend. And then we're gonna head out to the OC fair. And I'll see y'all in a bit. Oh.
In the front, huh?
no, that was for French.
Today is the day all of this is going, at least all this right here. That's the stuff I have to still reorganize. But all this right here, the big old Mickey, the extra clothes that I had, that's all going today. I just have to take it out so I can put it in the car. Happy Wednesday. Hopefully it's a productive one. I didn't realize how much dust was up there, but yeah, if you haven't dusted your walls, you should. Or if you haven't even looked at your walls in a long time, the top, look at them and I promise you're gonna wanna dust them because that's probably why you're having allergies every single morning.
Oh, dale mandé. Mórame.
So I just got these, not this. This one came on, I think it came on like 2 days ago. But I couldn't use it because I didn't have the actual like, what are these called? The putty, there you go, to stick the nail to the magnet. And yeah, there we go. So I just sanded them down overall. I think press-ons are gonna be my thing too. It's just so easy, and now I can just go straight into the design and then I'll just put them on. Cause these are cute and all, but this white's like starting to turn a different color. The discoloration of the mat. But let's see how it works out. And these are the Gel X extra long. These are the tips I'm using, and let's see how it goes. I really like them. Can you tell yet what I'm making? Okay, I have to say I'm having the most fun doing this right now because wow, like I'm just outlining, but I'm so excited for the outcome. I'm excited. You guys, I'm literally sitting here because I'm looking at these nails and I'm like, dang, like I want to text someone and show them what I did. Like I'm just so mesmerized. I was underestimating my nail art. Even though this is a start, like I was underestimating my nail art. Look at this. Oh my God, I can't, you know what? Let me just put you under the light. Look at this. Look at this. Do you see this? Do you see Mr. Ghostface? Oh my God. The thumb, I might just take it out and make it all red so that these two can be the main focus. But look at him. This like red burgundy color, I had to actually make that color, which is that one right there. It was a mixture of the red and a tiny bit of this color, a mocha pink, and a little bit of black. I just used the Beatles one from Amazon. But you guys, oh my gosh, I'm so ready for Halloween. I'm so ready for Halloween. Thought it was gonna come out so bad.